Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2001 Cadillac Eldorado ESC. This one is a white diamond. Underneath the hood is a V8 North Star pushing out 280 horsepower and 300 pounds of torque. For wheels, you've got 16-inch chrome wheels. A tan leather interior, sunroof. Coming out and back. 32 valve North Star, Eldorado ESC badging. Wood interior, power windows, power seats, wood and leather steering wheel, Bose sound system, climate controls, heated seats. Let's go ahead and start it up. This Eldorado has 74,437 miles. Very low mileage, clean on the inside, clean on the out. If you'd like to view more photos of this Cadillac Eldorado ESC, check out feldmanimports.com.